Right, I've got a parcel from Casdans and I have been dying to open this all day. Right, okay. Right, let's have a look. Oh, look at all these goodies. So I received these late last night and I'm in the UK, so when she sends them over to me, seriously, they take like 2 days to ship. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's a great big heart, look at that. Right, hold on a minute. That is a big chunky one, isn't it? Oh, isn't it chippy? Oh, those are beautiful. Oh, look at those. Oh, it's a set. It's a set and it's pink. Hold on. We got a pink set. Oh, wow, look at those. Beautiful. Oh, wow. Okay. I can tell I'm going to get very carried away with this lot. Oh, we've got some lovely hearts. Oh, isn't that lovely? Just trying to get my lights a bit closer. Oh, look at those. Oh, wow. Right, look at those. Hold on. Magical. Isn't that beautiful? Right, I'll put them all back in the packets in a moment. Oh, look at those. Oh, wow. So I haven't done many pendants with these pointy back ones. Oh, look at that. That one needs some silver wire. Look how the little lines are just in the bottom of that one. Isn't that lovely? Oh dear. Oh, Larry Moth. Absolutely stunning. It looks like a tree. Isn't that beautiful? Right, okay. Oh, look at that. What's that say? Chat on yacht glass. I'm sure I can't pronounce any of these. Oh, wow. No, that isn't actually showing on the camera, but that is really reflecting. It's like really quite bright. I don't know why it's not picking that up. That's lovely. I'm gonna have to try and remember all the names. I'm gonna have to try and remember where I've put them all so I'll put them back in the right packets. Oh, look at that. Right, hold on. Look at the colours. Oh wow. Oh wow, I think I'm keeping this one. Oh wow. going to have to make a video just with this one. Oh, it's very sparkly. We've got some blue, got some gold, got some more pointy back. Rose. Those are lovely. I've really been spoiled, haven't I? Oh, she spoils me every time. Beautiful. Right, I'm going to have to make some heart. Oh, we've got another chunky one. Beautiful. Oh, and it's one of those. Yes, so I've got a few of these. I really need to do something with these. That is a beautiful colour. Oh, I'm too close. Beautiful colour. Blue opal. What else have I got? Purple moss. Oh, purple moss again. It is. It's purple. I have never seen moss agate purple before. How cute is that? Okay, and I got another chunky one. Look at him. That is beautiful. Gonna have to come up with something for these. I've got some of those. They called root something, the black and white ones. I can't think. I'm overwhelmed. They beautiful. Right, okay, so these are all from Casdans. Casdans.com. Get yourselves over there, you won't be disappointed. That was the purple one. I cannot big this shop up enough. The quality is absolutely beautiful. You won't be disappointed. They're based in America. But like I say, when she ships to me over in the UK, it only takes 2 days, which is a little bit strange. We don't normally get shipping that quick. It normally takes a couple of weeks. Look at the colour on those. Yep, so that's Casdans. Check it out. Let me show you one more. Beautiful. So thanks to Cass for spoiling me again with all these beautiful stones. Now I need to get to work, don't I? Oh, lovely.